Porsche has always focused on finding smart ways to turn high performance into speed and success. It's about making the most of the possibilities.
Das ist Porsche.
That's Porsche.
Ich bin Tyron
I'm
Ricketts.
Tyron Ricketts. To my mind, the 911 is the perfect sports car. I'm a Porsche fan.
Und
And
Sie?
what about you? Is it not important to you what's under the hood? All you care about is that your car gets you from A to B? In that case, there's nothing for you here.
Schauen Sie
Go
sich
watch
lieber was
something
anderes
else. What I'm about to show you is a statement on 4 wheels. For 55 years now, it has been the epitome of sporty driving. Loud and strong and self-confident. But it's not for show-offs. You don't get into this car to make yourself look bigger or better. You get in to feel at home. What's for certain is that it not only has to match your personality, it also has to suit your life. The 911 is one of the world's few truly iconic automotive designs. It's immediately recognizable, even if you only see its silhouette. And that's also true for this new model. It's a timeless machine.
It's a timeless machine.
The new 911 has the same wheelbase, but it's both longer and wider than before. And it has larger wheels in the back than in the front. That makes it look even more compact and sporty. Whether you choose rear wheel or 4-wheel drive, there's only one body shape. The only difference between the two are the slats on the air inlet. The slats of the 4-wheel drive model are chrome-plated. The rear lights spanning the width of the car are also cool. Every new 911 has this feature. The front headlights are now set to a sharper angle like those in earlier models. And the interior is illuminated using the latest LED matrix technology. The digital dashboard still features an analog tachometer. In this regard, Porsche remains true to its history and tradition. You shouldn't throw out features that have always been positive. It's more important to adjust details. That's the most difficult part of automotive design and development. That's why the Porsche Wet Mode was developed, to provide even better assistance for drivers in wet conditions. Wet roads can be tricky. Everybody knows that. And anybody who has ever driven a Porsche 11 model knows that this car has driving characteristics like no other. One of the reasons for that is because the engine is located behind the rear axle. It's a special way of driving. You have to get used to it. For this wet mode, our engineers installed sensors in the wheel arches. They sense and measure splashing water. Depending on the amount of water the sensors recognize, the system can intelligently adjust the engine's power, switching to a flatter accelerator curve and regulating ASR and ABS. The engineers only made a few changes to the engine. One of them involves the injection method. All in all, this Carrera S has 450 horsepower. It accelerates better and is more efficient. Oh, and one more thing. Even with its auto particulate filter, the car still sounds like an 11. And to bring that power to the road, it now has a new 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Here in Zuffenhausen is where the new 911 gets its new transmission. For drivers, that means enhanced performance, more comfort, and even more efficiency. Starting up and shifting gears can now be done more harmoniously. Shifting gears is so quick you can hardly feel it. The engineers made it possible by improving the clutch changes when shifting gears. And with the help of even more intelligent software, the 6th gear is still the top speed gear. It's a high-powered computer with gear wheels. Might be just the thing you're looking for, eh? And anybody who has ever driven a Porsche 911 knows that this car has driving characteristics like no other.